Hi, this is Jed Norwood with Forex Secrets. What if I told you that I could show you how to double your money in 6 months or less? Have I got your attention yet? What if I told you you could do it in 1 month? You're going to want to stick around to the end of this video to find out what that entails. You're going to be pleasantly surprised. Here's one of our students that is using consistency to bring success to himself every day. He's taken 3 trades here. The first one going short for 62 pips, another short position for 105, and another one for a 32. A total of 200 pips profit were made on this one currency pair, and this is happening on a regular basis for him. If you come and check us out, you'll get to know who he is and what he's all about. You'll also get to see what I'm doing personally, as well as some of the other traders. We have consistency in our court. You can take advantage of this. You just need to understand a few key principles that are required to be able to do what we're all doing here. It's not hard. In fact, it's easy. You just need to apply it. Now, it takes discipline and focus, guaranteed. But here's the thing. 1, we have proprietary tools, our Norwood strategy scanner and our filter. We have a set strategy we use, set up for multiple time frame usage, the 1551. We have a scanner forum and a pip club where we do live trading with fellow traders working together side by side to find things and work together and talk things through and give encouragement, things like that. So here's just an example of what you're seeing or would see in that forum. But let's talk about some of the success. Okay, I'm going to run through a series of slides here. You're going to see some of mine, some other traders, and just a collection of all the different successful postings that are being announced here. Here you can see that I had 4 successful trades in a row, no losses. Here's another one I took a little bit later on a different pair for 18 pips, and another one for 16. Here's one or 2 that someone else did for 67 and 42. And here's somebody else's. This one was about a 13 pip trade. Here's another one for 13 by someone else. Another one for 38. 49, and notice this, one going long for 17 and one going short for 43, all on the same currency pair. Another one for 50, and here again, one for 17 and then the opposite direction, go for 15. Talk about consistency, knowing when to get in and when to get out and when to re-enter and in the right direction. That's power. Here you can see that there were some small trades taken out of this trend. Even with a loss, it still was profitable that day. So, what I'm excited to tell you is that we have a webinar. You can come learn about the whole program, learn what it's going to take to be able to double your account in 1 month. And if you follow the rules, it's very possible. Come take advantage of this webinar. It's free. There's no obligation. You just get to come and learn what it's about, see if it's something you want to do. This is just a little snippet about what is taking place on a daily basis in our little trading community. And we invite you to come take advantage of the consistency. Come learn how to be consistent. This is Jed Norwood with Forex Strategy Secrets, signing off.